Tide rolls in with a whispering song. It's called my name for ages long. Beyond the foam where the white gulls cry, my heart was born beneath the sky. I hear the call of the sea, wild and endless, calling me through wind and wave. My soul will roam for the sea. The sea is my only home. The cliffs stand guard with ancient grace. Their stones remember every face of those who dreamed, who dared to sail. Their spirits ride each ocean gate. I hear the call of the sea, wild and endless, calling me through wind and wave. My soul will roam for the sea. The sea is my only home. Let the storm be my prayer tonight. Let the moon be my guiding light. If destiny drifts beyond the foam, then my heart will find its home. I hear the call of the sea. Through every dawn it carries me. Though shores may fade and stars may fall, I'll follow the sea. I'll answer its call, the call of the sea. Forever and The mist rolls down from the silver hills. The river hums beneath her will. Barefoot she stands where the heather grows. The storm is near, yet her spirit knows. She waits in the rain, her heart unspoken, for a promise made, for a vow not broken. Through wind and pain she still remains, a whisper of love in the falling rain. The sea cries low by the ancient pier, each wave a word she longs to hear. His name is carved in the stones below, washed by tears. The tide still knows. She waits in the rain, her heart unspoken, for a promise made, for a vow not broken. Through wind and pain she still remains, a whisper of love in the falling rain. Lanterns fade in the heart he rides the wind, he'll find her there, with rain in her eyes and salt in her hair. She waits in the rain where the wild winds call for the one she loves beyond it all. And though he's gone, she feels his name in every drop of the endless rain. The frost has kissed the fields of green, and starlight crowns the silent sea. He sails where northern winds have been, while winter's breath still follows me. I made my vow beneath the moon to wait until the flowers bloom. Though snow may fall and storms may cry, my heart will burn, it will not die. The fire fades, the nights grow long. I hear his name in ancient song. The candle's flame, it trembles low, but hope still warms the ice and snow. I made my vow beneath the moon to wait till the flowers bloom. Though snow may fall and storms may cry, my heart will burn, it will not die. And when the gulls return to shore, I'll see his sail, I'll weep no more. For love that's true will find its way through winter's night to dawn's new day. He made night haunt beneath the moon to wait until the flowers bloom. The winter fades, the cold must go, but my love stays beneath the snow. by the cliffs where the wild winds sing. She walks with the tide in spring, her hair like the foam on the restless sea, her voice a call to eternity. She's the sea's daughter, wild and free, born of the waves and the melody. Her heart belongs to the ocean's roar, calling the sailors back to shore. In the night when the moonlight glows, she dances where the cold tide flows. Her song drifts soft on the salty air, a promise woven a lover's prayer. She's the sea's daughter, wild and free, born of the waves and the melody. Her heart belongs to the ocean's roar, calling the sailors back to shore. But if you follow her song too deep, the sea will claim the soul it keeps. Her eyes like stars in the midnight blue. She'll pull you under, she'll keep you true. She's the sea's daughter, wild and free, born of the waves and the melody. Her heart belongs to the ocean's roar, calling the sailors back to shore. So beware when the tide runs high, when her voice is near and nigh. For the sea's daughter forever sings her love-bound tide in ocean rings. In the quiet of a snowy dawn, she walks where cold winds glow. Her steps fall soft on silver ground, a light upon the snow. Oh, Lady of the Winterlight, shining through the frost-filled night, guide our hearts with gentle grace, lead us home through cold and wide. Her eyes hold angels The falcon soars, his wings of flame. No chain can bind, no man can tame. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea. Through storm and shadow, night and day, your song will show the ancient way. He circles where the druids pray, or standing stones the gods have made. His cry awakens earth and sky, a bridge where mortal souls may fly. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea. Through storm and shadow, night and day, your song will show the ancient way. They say his feathers hold the stars, a map of fate, a healer's scars. And those who follow where he flies will see the truth through ancient eyes. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea. Through storm and shadow, night and day, your song will show the ancient way. So when the winds of sorrow call, I look above the mountains tall and trust the falcon's endless flight to lead me home through darkest night. Beneath the frost, where shadows sleep, the snow lies soft on hill and keep. Yet through the cold a whisper grows, the tender bloom of winter's rose. Her petals pale, her heart still warm, defies the ice, defies the storm. Oh, sing to me, sweet winter's rose, through frozen dreams your beauty glows. A spark of life, the north wind knows, the bloom of winter's rose. She waits where moonlight meets the sea, where time stands still for memory. A song of love the cold wind chose, to guard the bloom of winter's rose. No fire can fade, no frost can claim the heart that burns without a name. Oh, sing to me, sweet winter's rose, through frozen dreams your beauty glows. A spark of life, the north wind knows, the bloom of winter. spring forgets the snow, her gentle scent will softly flow through glens and hearts that still repose, to find the bloom of winter's rose. Oh, sing to me, sweet winter's rose, your light still shines where no one goes. Through silent fields the cold wind blows, I'll find you there, my winter's rose. Where the winter winds on the highlands roam, and the frost red silver through heather and stone, I walk the path where the night grows deep, guided homeward by the fire I keep. And though the stars are cold above, your voice remains my flame of love. Sing me the silent heart song, where embers guard the whole night long. Hold me close in winter's keep, where love wakes what the snow makes sleep. Through drifting white on the moonlit glen, I hear your steps soft returning again. In your arms the cold turns mild, and every sorrow fades to mild. Though the shadows circle wide, your fire burns steadfast beside. Sing me the silent heart song, where the brave and the lost belong. Through the storm and winter's cry, our flame glows where the cold winds die. Oh, in the hush of the snowbound air, love is a light too fierce to tear. Through darkest nights and endless years, your warmth unravels all my fears. Sing me the silent heart song, where hearts burn forever strong. Hold me close in winter's keep, for love wakes what the snow makes sleep. On the hill where the red berries glow, a tree stands where the cold winds blow. Its roots run deep in the ancient ground, where whispers of old gods still resound. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. Your branches guard my destiny. Through shadowed paths and midnight skies, you light the way where silence lies. The wanderer lost in the fading day, find shelter where your branches sway. A charm of leaves, a berry bright, a shield against the creeping night. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. Your branches guard my destiny. Through shadowed paths and midnight skies, you light the way where silence lies. They say your heart is carved in flame, a sacred mark, a secret name, and those who rest beneath your shade will never fear the dark nor fade. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. Your branches guard my destiny. Through shadowed paths and midnight skies, you light the way where silence lies. So I will lay my hand on you and trust the oath the druids knew. Forever bound by root and leaf, the rowan tree will guard my under the northern sky, where the cold stars shine. I wander far from home, lost in borrowed time. The wind remembers me, whispers soft and high. Take me back, take me back, where my heart will never cry. Under the northern sky, I'm calling to the night, to the stars above, to the never